Right there. Right there's good. What's up? It's been a minute and we're kind of crazy because right now the southeast of the United States, or like basically like the middle of the United States and the eastern side, is getting a huge cold front as of January like 20th, 2025. And we decided to come to Georgia to experience it because we have updated a couple things that you guys have seen on the rig. We've decided to kind of make it a little bit more homey, a little bit more comfortable, especially with this new awning, which adds so much more privacy, in which we wish we had out west, because we would have been able to stay at camp spots like longer and enjoyed it a little bit longer. But we're here now and it's snowing. And I don't know what the temperature is right now, but it is cold and it is dropping. But luckily, we do have a ton of heat sources. We have a diesel heater now. Um, we have the fire pit, the Ignic fire pit that we used for a very long time, which I just filled the propane with gas. So we have plenty of gas for the rest of the night, for us to stay warm until we head to bed. Michelle is curled up. And Millie is curled up as well in the car. But we're gonna chill by the fire for a little bit to get warm, and yeah, gonna make dinner in a few. We are extremely thankful that this awning comes with lights, and they just connect through a cigarette lighter. So we are, don't mind the strobe lights. We are just running it off of one battery, and it's pulling no wattage. And then we have the Iceco fridge on a different battery, and it's looking good. You're eating it while it's like smoking hot.
It's not smoking hot, it's just it's cold.
Oh wow. I guess maybe y'all can help me out in the comments, but This is a smaller battery, unfortunately, and this one's a bigger one. It's an EcoFlow 750, I think, watts, and this is 350 or something like that. This is able to run my diesel heater. This isn't. Right when I turn it on, this light starts flickering, and then the diesel heater shuts off. It doesn't even try to ignite. And then this one, it works perfectly fine. Let's see how many hours I can get out of this with the Bosch battery. I think we'll be able to be just fine once it actually catches up to temperature, because at the moment it is at a steady 34 watts. That will not last all night, unfortunately, because it's only 7. So we need more. All right, so I turned it down to like 9 and it went down to 12 watts. So we got 14 hours of usage with this little battery. So we should be fine. And Michelle said that it's actually warming up in there.
All right, the camera is about to die again. We got the air duct in here, and it's actually very cozy. This came off, so I'm just gonna not even bother with it. But it's actually working, even at the low setting. So we're kind of bundled up with a ton of blankets. But where's Millie?
Just to make sure. Oh, Millie? She's
Oh, there you go. She's hibernating. Yep. We're gonna try to get some rest so we can wake up in the morning and not die from the very, very cold weather that's coming. So we'll see y'all in the morning. As you can see, I don't know if you could tell, but this thing froze overnight, and it's very, very cold. It's literal ice on the awning walls. That is insane. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Good morning.
We're freezing.
We
still.
are actually really cold, although we slept really, really good last night. I think I forgot what the temperature got down to, but by 6 a.m. it was 11 degrees, and
Well,
it's currently,
it started at 1 a.m. and
yeah,
it was ending around 6.
yeah.
But I think the diesel heater was keeping us so warm that we
We
didn't even
we
feel
didn't
it.
even know, and this is our first time using a diesel heater, and I didn't even crank it up to the max. It was like halfway, so it wasn't drawing a lot of power. So we had around like 15 hours on our battery, and the only time that I actually ended up waking up in the morning was at 8 a.m. when the diesel heater cut off, because I noticed I was starting to get cold in there. So that was the time where I said, let's pack up and go. And then it's so cold that the camera just kept dying. So we finally made it to Walmart just to chill, and Millie is still very, very cold with her snout out, and we have been trying to get her to pee, and she won't pee, so we're gonna take her to like a more grassy area to see if she'll do it, but she gets so cold that she doesn't even want to do anything. It's currently, I can't believe this, it's 16 degrees.
Oh my goodness.
And it feels like 12, and it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning.
So it feels as cold as it was supposed to be last night right now.
Yeah, so I'm honestly surprised that we were like, I started taking layers off on how hot we were up there, and Michelle ended up taking her socks off. Like, it actually got really hot in there. The only reason why I woke up is because the battery had died. So diesel heater is definitely a 10 out of 10 recommend to anybody that has been wanting to buy one. It literally lasted all night, and it kept us very, very warm, even at like 11 degrees. I don't even know what it actually felt like, because there was wind last night, so it was probably even colder than that.
Oh
And
yeah, we could hear the wind all night.
yeah, so it was probably closer to like 5 degrees, honestly, but we survived, and it was a great night's sleep. The only thing is that I kept waking up. We went to bed at like 7:30 or 8 o'clock, and then I woke up randomly, and I saw Michelle on her phone, and I was like, Michelle, what time is
It was
it?
like 10 p.m. and he thought it was 10 a.m.
So I got up, and I was like, oh crap, I gotta get out. It's already getting late. And then Michelle was like, no, it's still Sunday. It's not Monday yet. So it was very confusing. But yeah, I kept waking up throughout the night, and the time was going by really, really slow. So I don't know if it was because our bodies know that it's cold outside, but it's warm inside the tent. I don't know. But we made it, and now we're going to chill for the rest of the day, because I think that we're going to go and cozy up in a cabin tonight. So
And I cracked open a Celsius.
we'll keep y'all updated, but
Yeah, we might go into town.
yeah, who knows? I don't know if anything is open because of the cold, but
We might just drive through.
yeah. But right now my glasses broke. We're gonna go grab some food. I would cook food right now, but it's way too cold outside to even stand out there. So 16 degrees, feels like 12. I wish I had service this morning to record, but yeah, this was the low this morning. So 6 a.m. it was down to basically almost zero. So yeah, we made it. We made it. We made it. Right, Millie? Yes. We made it. We made it, Millie. Oh, home sweet home.
Our cozy cabin.
Cabin is still decorated for Christmas. So pretty. We came here in October. October, November to shoot photos of it. Michael is the owner of this cabin. We're super grateful for him letting us come over here and get away from the cold. We appreciate you. But it's great. We're excited to have a cozy up night and just relax.
I know, it's so cold outside, even with the sun out.
Yeah. So we had a great camping day, but now it's time to cozy up and enjoy it a little bit here.
I feel like I'm back in a wad right now.
There's a heater behind the couch, and it's working miracles right now because it just got so warm in here, and we've been just watching YouTube, chilling. Probably gonna start dinner in a little bit and then just hang out. Hot chocolate. That was the end of the video, and we're just popping in to say that if you guys are ever in Georgia and you guys are looking for a place to stay, Michael is a great host and he will take care of you. We'll put the link in the description for the listing for the Airbnb.
There's 2 cabins.
Yes.
There's Little Blue and the Winifred.
Yeah. So we'll put the listings down below so y'all can check it out. If you're ever in Georgia, it's a good stay. So it definitely helped us out in the cold, but we did enjoy the camping part of it. It was our first time camping in such low weather, and we actually got through it. Last time in North Carolina, she could probably put an old video of what happened there. We couldn't survive, so we actually did it this time, even in colder weather. So yeah, but thank y'all for watching. We'll see you guys next time.